ordered a front lip off eBay. And I'm like kind of concerned because in the ad there was 2 pictures, and in both pictures the lips were completely different. But it was so cheap that I had to buy it. So this is the ad here, and don't get me wrong, they're similar, but they are not the same lip whatsoever. You can see this one's much more aggressive, while this one here is not so much. So gonna unbox it and see how she goes. And if you guys are curious to know how much I spent on the lip, make sure you stay till the very end, because I will be telling you guys the exact amount I spent. And if you guys are new here and don't already know what lip this car is for, this lip is going on my 2013 Civic Si. I have a sedan and it is my daily driver. So the reason why I went for a rather cheaper lip is simply because I don't really care that much. It's simply because it's my daily driver, it's already lowered. So I figured the odds of this lasting more than like 6 months to a year is pretty slim. So for me to go out and spend like $200-300 on an actual nice lip, I don't really think it's worth it. I already have some pretty nice parts on the car. This is my first eBay part. So let's go ahead and do a quick little overview of it. So aside from the lip, it came with the knockoff classic little double-sided tape. So we got there. I don't think I'm gonna use that because I have my own actual 3M double-sided tape that I think it's gonna work a little bit better than this stuff. And it also came with these self-tapper little screws here, so you can see the mounting points here, 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 and then on the other side there is 2 more mounting points on each side, because this is a 3-piece lip, I guess, 3 separate pieces. I guess that's like the cost-efficient, cheap way of doing it. I'm not sure why it's a 3-piece lip, but whatever. And as you guys know, it showed 2 completely different lips in the ad, and I'm actually very pleased to say this is the lip I wanted out of the 2 that I showed in the ad. This one is far less aggressive where it sticks out here. This actually flows perfectly with the body lines on the bumper. And like the other one, they're like protruding out to here. So I feel like that'd be a little too aggressive for my completely stock body Civic. I feel like it would look a little stupid if anything. So I am actually very pleased that this is the one they sent. And as for quality, it's just unpainted plastic, nothing special. It's kind of what you'd expect for the price I paid. The fit and finish here is kind of trash, to be honest. I'm sure it'll be better once I put the actual screw in it and once I actually install it. And I'm very curious to see how it's gonna fit on my car, if it's gonna fit properly or if it's just gonna be completely misaligned and junk. And I'm actually completely swamped with midterms right now. I have a couple big midterms coming up in the next couple days. So I won't be installing this for another week or so, and I'll definitely be making a video and taking a video of the installation process, and you'll actually see if it fits good on my car or if it's a complete piece of junk. My hopes aren't too high, to be honest. Like, I can't see it fitting absolutely terribly to the point where I won't use it on my car, but I don't think it'll fit amazing. And it also has these 2 fins here on each side, and I'm really curious to see if the fitment between that and the body lines of the car will actually be good, or if it'll stick out even amounts on each side, which I'm kind of expecting. And if you are curious to know how much I actually paid for everything, including shipping, duties across the border and everything, I think it was about $80 Canadian, which comes out to about $60 US. And if I did live in the States, that would have been a lot cheaper, because I actually had to pay duties from the US to Canadian border, I guess because they shipped it to the US first. So it was about an extra $10 in duties. So if you do live in the States, you can probably get a lip like this for like, honestly, 50 bucks. So there you have it, everyone. Sorry this is a really short video. I honestly just have a really busy couple days coming up. It's actually a miracle that I was able to make 3 videos this week as is. So on that note, thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to leave a like, leave a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you have yourself a great day.